Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue where your Messenger app is not working properly on your iPhone or iPad. So how can you fix it? Simply follow all the steps I'm going to show you in this video. First, go to the Settings section on your iPhone and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, ensure that your VPN is not connected. If it is, just disconnect it. Next, go to Software Update and make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS version. After that, go to iPhone Storage. Find the Messenger app, uninstall it from there, and then reinstall it again from the App Store. Once done, scroll down in the Settings. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. After resetting, go back and open the Messenger app again to see if it's working properly. If it works fine, you're all set. But if it's still not working, simply uninstall the app again and reinstall it from the App Store. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos.